Hi there, students. To filch. This is a verb meaning to steal. It's an informal word. Yeah? Somebody's filched my bag. Yeah? Somebody filched his wallet. Particularly to steal something of little value, something that's not very valuable. Yeah? Who filched my bike? Yeah? So the restaurant had a problem with people filching the napkins, or hotels have a problem with customers filching the towels. Yeah, to filch, to pilfer, to nick. Yeah, to pinch or half inch in Cockney slang. Okay, so to filch, to steal, to pocket something. Yeah, he filched one of my books because he needed to use it, but he didn't tell me. I wish I'd known he was going to filch it. So something small. Kids filching some money from their mum's purse. Okay, so yeah, to stake or steal, to take something surreptitiously but in small amounts. It's clear that the staff have been filching stuff from the shop. Yeah, the clients filching ashtrays from a posh restaurant. Okay, so yeah, please watch him because he's liable to filch stuff. Okay, so this is an informal word. He's a bit of a filcher. Filcher's probably more unusual. So this is just a great informal word meaning to steal, to nick. Yeah, to purloin, much more formal. To swipe. Yeah, okay, or just to lift something as well. Okay, so he filched a newspaper while we were in the shop. Yeah, you shouldn't filch things. Yeah, so to steal or to nick, to knock something off, to half inch, to embezzle. No, to embezzle is much too formal and much too big. Yeah, to snaffle something. Yeah, I filched some money from her bag. So, formality. This I would give a 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. I wouldn't use it anywhere else. And then as to origin, okay, there was certainly a Middle English word filchen, meaning to pilfer. And clearly filch and pilfer, they're quite close, or to steal. Further than that, could be more difficult. So, to filch, a nice, easy, simple, informal word meaning to nick, to steal. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To filch. Hey, who's filched my pen?